6 days ago, the ambulance departed from its regular base at Nasser Hospital in Khan Yunis, equipped with essential supplies like bandages and syringes. Since then, it has been functioning as a mobile clinic due to the ongoing intense fighting between Israeli forces and Hamas militants. The hospital, the largest operational medical facility in southern Gaza, is situated in a conflict zone, making it too hazardous for patients or ambulances to return. We now function as an ambulance field point in central Khan Yunis, said paramedic Nasim Hassan, who heads the emergency unit at Nasser Hospital. Treating patients who arrive by their own means or collecting wounded individuals even in areas close to the front lines has become the norm for the ambulance since it left Nasser Hospital in Khan Yunis 6 days ago. The medical team transports them to tents with basic facilities. The industrial quarter and some schools in Khan Yunis have seen numerous injuries among the displaced. Many of the injured were left on carts, tuk-tuks, cars, or even on foot. Khan Yunis witnessed a significant influx of displaced people during the initial weeks of the Israel-Hamas conflict when the Israeli army advised civilians to evacuate northern Gaza for their safety. As the fighting shifted south and into the heart of the city, new waves of displacement towards Rafah on Gaza's southern boundary with Egypt have occurred, exacerbating conditions for those remaining in Khan Yunis. The ongoing challenges include the lack of immediate prospects for new supplies from hospital storerooms, raising concerns about potential shortages of essentials. In one of the medical tents where Hassan's ambulance has been depositing patients, paramedic Ibrahim Abu Al-Qas copes with a range of injuries and illnesses using only basic equipment. The conflict began when Hamas militants from Gaza invaded southern Israel on October 7, resulting in 1,200 reported deaths and 240 abductions, according to Israel. In response, Israel launched an all-out military assault on the densely populated strip. Gaza's health ministry reports at least 26,900 Palestinians killed and over 65,900 injured due to Israel's bombardment and ground invasion. The majority of the strip's population has been displaced with widespread hunger and disease. Most hospitals either ceased functioning or operated under challenging conditions, lacking sufficient medicines and equipment. They face continuous arrivals of severely wounded patients, while large numbers of displaced people seek shelter on their premises.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.